From Montgomery County to Fairfax, at least 5 fires have been reported over the last few days, 2 of which we're told could have been prevented. Our Liana Golden tells us why and has tips on how to keep you and yours safe.
Battling this blaze Monday night at a home where fortunately no one was hurt. These kind of intense flames breaking out across our region.
Recently, we've had a few fires.
In Montgomery County, 7 News caught the end of this massive response in Rockville. Spokesman Pete Pieringer says it took 60 firefighters to get the flames under control.
This is always a busy time of year, the transition season, when we have nice days and cold nights. People are starting to use their heating systems.
Late Friday into Saturday morning, 2 fires broke out in the Glenmont and White Oak areas. Pieringer says space heaters are to blame for both.
That is always a problem. It's very predictable. If it's predictable, it's preventable. We recommend that you never leave it unattended. Even if you're going to leave the room, turn it off or unplug it. Even when you go to bed at nighttime, do not leave a space heater unattended.
He says leave it on a flat surface so it doesn't tip over and plug it directly into the wall.
We've had a couple of instances where people are using a power strip or extension cords. Not a good idea, not recommended.
Finally, create a circle of safety, as he calls it, so nothing nearby catches fire. And think about buying a new one if it's been around a while.
If it's something that your grandma had, it's probably a good time to replace it. But, follow the manufacturer's instructions. They come in all kinds of different shapes and sizes.
In Montgomery County, I'm Liana Golden, 7 News.
7 News is also learning about another fire in Fairfax County, less than 5 minutes away from the one that Liana mentioned in Fairfax. We're learning 1 person died in that house fire. 2 other people and 1 firefighter were taken to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. You see some of the pictures there. The flames destroying part of this home Saturday along Guinea Road in the Kings Park West neighborhood. Investigators still working at this hour to figure out what caused this fire.